everyone, look what I got for my birthday. It's the Colour Your Heart Out Jigsaw Puzzle by Alan Robert, who does all of the Beauty of Horror colouring books. It's a 500 piece puzzle. So what you do is you put together the puzzle and it makes this picture, and then you can colour it in. So it might be a little bit more challenging than any other jigsaw puzzle just because it's all black and white, so there won't be any colour on it to help you along. So it's sealed in the box. It's quite a nice box as well. It's a little bit smaller than 500 piece jigsaw puzzle boxes used to be when I last had one, which is many years ago, so that's quite nice because it means it will be easier to store it. It's not going to take up quite as much room as the bigger boxes. So let's have a look inside. It's quite shiny as well, the box. Now that I've took that cellophane wrapper off. It's a good strong box as well. Wow, so inside is all the pieces. As you can see, they are black and white, so when you put it all together you can colour them in. Let's just open this bag. So the pieces are nice, strong pieces. They're not thin or flimsy. And they've got quite a papery finish to them, so you could probably colour it with coloured pencils because they're not shiny like other jigsaw puzzles would be. But I think I might use marker pens on it when I finish, just for some really nice bold bright colours. So that is what it looks like inside. So thank you for watching, and I will see you all next time.